The Asli Shiksha Learning Can Be Fun series are 2-hour experiential activity and discussions based workshops for children of ages 14 and above. These are available in both online and offline modes. These are the workshop documents for physics, history, and chemistry. Let us look at them more closely. Chemistry Can Be Fun starts with each participant seeing a short video by scanning a QR code. We have extracted some parts from the video to give you an idea. Take a look. There is not a law under which any part of the universe is governed, which is not touched upon in the chemistry of a candle. This is a slow motion video of a candle lighting up from wax vapor. It shows that it is vaporized wax that actually burns in a candle. The participants then slowly read the abridged version of the chemical history of a candle, a lecture delivered by Michael Faraday in 1861. The process of understanding happens during the activity section, where the participants make a mind map by cutting and pasting content into the appropriate boxes. The last part of the document has some questions to be answered based on participant learning. It takes around an hour to complete these sections of the workshop. The next hour is spent in a discussion among the participants around their answers to the workshop questions. Let us move on to Physics Can Be Fun. Here are some excerpts from the introductory video. The Feynman Lectures on Physics is a comprehensive physics textbook. The 3-volume book is renowned for its clarity, simplicity, and the depth, making it an excellent introduction to physics for students and non-experts alike. Presentation that shows the interaction of water surface and the air above it. The water molecules are jiggling around in their liquid state. Some of the green-colored nitrogen molecules and the black-colored oxygen molecules that constitute air dissolve in water or leave the water surface. The reading section has an abridged version of the first chapter of the Feynman Lectures on Physics. This is explained in such simple words by Feynman that 14-year-olds can understand and get interested in the concepts. The activity section cements the concepts in the minds of the participants. Answering the questions and then having a discussion around their answers finishes the 2-hour workshop. Let us now look at the History Can Be Fun workshop that is based on the pioneering work of the great Gandhian scholar Dharampal. This is an excerpt from the introductory video. 1800 AD, India is feeling the effect of the British looting and has moved down to 16%. Between 1800 and 1900 AD, the British have impoverished India to a degree not seen before in all our long history. India's share of the world GDP has fallen steeply to 8%. Scholar Dharampal, who has done pioneering work in bringing out the real history of India. He became a regular visitor to the India Office and the British Museum archives when he lived in London from 1966 to 1982. The reading section has the abridged version of a long essay that talks about the state of Indian society around 1750. The activity section, the question answers, and the group discussion are similar to the other workshops. We think that these workshops are powerful mechanisms to generate interest and to foster curiosity in children. Please get in touch with us to register or to learn more.